If you are looking to cultivate tranquility and embark on a journey towards inner peace, then you've come to the right place. Welcome, dear friends, from all corners of the world, regardless of race and ethnicity. Allow me, Vanya, one of Professor Danesh's passionate students, to share invaluable insights that our brilliant professor has to offer. I hope that, just as I have found new life through his teachings, you too can discover a new way of life through his guidance. Thank you for joining me, and please stay with me. In today's hectic and fast-paced world, finding tranquility has become increasingly challenging. It's a rare treasure that often eludes us as we get caught up in the never-ending hustle and bustle of daily life. But fret not, Professor Danesh has unveiled a wealth of fascinating tips and techniques that can help you cultivate tranquility, enhance your mental well-being, and unlock the path to a more peaceful and fulfilling existence. Professor Danesh firmly believes that tranquility plays a pivotal role as a psychological balm, nurturing the depths of our being. In today's sedentary lifestyles, where physical activity has taken a back seat, it's important to recognize that our inner reality differs greatly from our external appearances. While our bodies may project an outward calmness, internally, a whirlwind of thoughts and worries often resides within use. The burdens of countless obligations, responsibilities, financial concerns, and the other pressures gradually erode our inner tranquility. The longing for calmness, physical movement, and stillness of the mind has been forgotten amidst the chaos of modern life, leading to a myriad of physical ailments and diseases that afflict our humanity. Fortunately, there is hope. Many intellectuals and owners of large companies have realized the importance of simplicity, distance themselves from smartphones, and embark on a journey to rediscover their inner stillness and tranquility. It is not about isolating oneself, but rather about establishing a sense of inner peace. Celebrities, athletes, and other public figures who are subjected to relentless media pressure also struggle to maintain their previous tranquility. Regrettably, some have even succumbed to the intensity of these pressures, which underscores the importance of nurturing inner tranquility in all spheres of life. Truly, embracing and cultivating inner tranquility holds tremendous significance. It's crucial to note that so the physical movement and internal calmness, which encompasses inner tranquility, hold immense relevance. Short physical movement encompasses engaging our bodies through various actions and even exploring different places, while stillness refers to mental calmness and contemplation. When we speak of the soul, we refer to the internal force that compels us to move and act in the world. Cultivating tranquility within the soul is paramount. It enables us to navigate life's challenges while staying grounded and at peace. By adhering to predefined peace that contribute to our inner peace, rather than being swayed in multiple directions and constantly subjected to stress, we can truly transform our lives. And now, here's the exciting news, dear friends. Professor Danesh brings you viable solutions to help you attain that coveted state of tranquility, and it all begins with a transformative change in your lifestyle. Professor Danesh suggests that by modifying your lifestyle, you can protect your second body, your mind and soul, and subsequently bring tranquility to your physical body, your first body. The key lies in establishing a profound connection with nature and living in perfect harmony with its magnificence. Immerse yourself in the unparalleled beauty of the natural world and allow its serenity to envelop you. Professor Danesh attests that after attaining inner tranquility, which serves as the first step toward achieving tranquility of the soul, travel becomes an instrumental means to restore movement within oneself and heal the etheric body. However, this isn't merely about travel for economic, political, or sports-related purposes. Professor Danesh encourages us to embark on journeys of cultural immersion, exploring diverse historical legacies, and basking in the wonders of unique natural landscapes. When you embark on these journeys, one fascinating aspect that truly resonates is the realization that people have once called these historical places their home, only to eventually move on. And guess what? When you see a historical artifact, you witness the footprints of humanity who lived and departed from this very place, without anything remarkably unusual occurring. Throughout it all, the world has maintained its steady course and orbit, unaffected by their comings and goings. Therefore, if you were to distance yourself from the myriad hustles and bustles that you have created for yourself, rest assured, nothing of great significance would transpire in the world. Isn't that remarkable? This mindset has the incredible ability to bestow upon you an unconscious sense of tranquility and inner joy, guiding you to embrace a slower pace and to find solace from the chaotic nature of life. You see, the world hasn't gone haywire. It continues to function, unperturbed, following its natural rhythm and path. And this realization is undeniably empowering and liberating. It reminds us that if one day we were to step back and detach ourselves from the relentless rush and countless distractions we have woven into our lives, the world would persist without calamity. No major disaster would befall us. And you know what's even better? This realization delicately infuses our being with a profound sense of peace and contentment, beckoning us to recalibrate the speed dial of life and embrace a more relaxed, balanced way of existence. As our YouTube channel endeavors to disseminate Professor Danesh's profound insights, we aim to ignite a spark of tranquility within you, our dear audience. We invite you wholeheartedly to engage with our content by leaving your thoughts and comments below our videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more transformative discussions on the art of fostering tranquility and nurturing your mental well-being. Our sincerest gratitude to you for joining us on this extraordinary journey towards inner peace and tranquility. Together, let us embrace a lifestyle that nourishes our souls and brings harmony to our lives. Remember, dear friends, that tranquility is well within your reach. Embrace this remarkable path of self-discovery and unlock the serenity that awaits you. May tranquility become an ever-present companion on your personal voyage of growth and fulfillment. Said to diverse historical legacies, or to explore unique natural landscapes.